Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Creative Ends International. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a very simple pattern of crown. This crown can be used for children drama or even adult drama, and even can be crafted for birthday photo shoots and all of that. So it depends on how you want to do the finishing, but I'm just going to give you the basis. So I started by using Mako. Mako, this is what is called Mako. Is a kind of a rubber kind of something, so it's a plastic but very soft. All right, I prefer to work with this rather than working with chest wadding or working with breast tube. This is more durable, so I work with Mako. So the Mako that I have is by length 17 inches. Okay, I'm not working with more than 17, but you can do between 17 and 18 inches, which will be perfect for it, because we are going to be having our elastic attached to the side. And so the first thing I did was to cut out my pattern. So how do I want my crown to look? I have to take measurements so that it will be accurate, both the left hand side and the right hand side. I have to do something that is similar so that it will be accurate. So you don't just sit down and craft whatever you are crafting without doing proper measurements. When you do that, your work is not going to come out as a professional work. So you need to pay attention to measurement and drawing of your pattern. So I started by taking my measurement of 2 inches to take my pattern, but the first one I went from up to down. So let's say the length, I did not really measure the width of this thing. So you can do like 8 inches and that will be fine. So where I'm rolling now is 2 inches, so we can just say it's 8 inches. Okay, so you depending on, if you want this part to be straight, you don't need to do this wave movement that I'm doing now. But if you want it to be wavy, then you have to make sure that you take accurate measurements in doing your wave. Okay, and also I don't like to do just free hand cutting without me having to sketch out my pattern. Okay, so I always first of all sketch out what I want, see how it looks before I will go ahead and cut it off. Okay, so that is a very good guideline for you to make this type of crown that I am making. Like I said, you can make this type of crown for photo shoot, and if well embellished, you can also be uh, putting it out for hire. That is, people can rent it, make their finish with their photo shoot and return it to you, depending on how well you decide to embellish it. If you do a very good embellishment, it will be very attractive. But for the purpose of this video, I did not really do too much embellishment. I just simply use trimming. But you can work with beads, you can work with different accessories to make sure that this crown is bam, as in. So please don't choose anything less, do what is good. Okay, do something good, do something durable. Okay, so this is the pattern. I don't want it too high. By this length, it looks very high. So the first ruling I have under is 2 inches, so I have to reduce it. I wasn't comfortable with the height, so I went ahead and take it out 1 inch, and then I reduced it. Okay, so after doing the reduction, I went ahead and started using my fabric to cover. But what I used is a leather, leather. So that metallic leather is used for auto gele too, but I do not really like it. I love it too, but I have a reason why I just said I do not really like it. So when I was done gluing, I find out that the leather was actually pulling, you know, not because of anything, but because of the power of this gum. The power of this gum. So I will advise that if you want to glue, use something that is not as harsh as this Jamaica gum, this Evo stick. This is very harsh, so it ended up pulling it up. And again, I don't like working with candle gum when I'm doing this work. It doesn't come out smooth. okay, so I don't work with it. So you can work with UHN. I hope you know UHN. UHN is that liquid white glue that is inside those big container, not the ones in the tube. It's not inside tube, it's inside something like bottle. UHN. If you ask anybody that you want UHN, they will give it to you. That is those people selling accessories. Just tell them to give you UHN. I believe it will not be as harsh as this. If not, the choice of this gold is a very perfect choice, but the fact that it was reacting to the glue, the elbow stick I used, was just the issue. Okay, so I'm going to allow you to continue washing. I'm not going to disturb you anymore. Just wash and see my finishing. So the length of elastic I added, in case you want to ask, is 8 inches. 8. Okay, so keep watching. I'll see you in my next video. And please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you know you are a beginner in this headwear business, you have no other better place to subscribe to than Creative Ends International, because on this channel I break down whatever I am doing. I don't skip my videos. I make sure that the things I am putting out, the things I am using, everything you need to know, everything you need to see is made available to you. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Also recommend us to other people. Don't keep quiet. Tell your friends, tell relatives about Creative Ends International. Let your friends that are also interested in doing this business come up to Creative Ends International, watch our videos, and you will not regret it. Before you know it, you start making money without spending money. All right, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye.